We bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
3. Fix audio problems with apps and games. The best option to take is to adjust the chat mixer. We do that by pressing the Xbox button on the controller, then navigate to System, Settings, Display and Sound. After that, the user must now select Volume, Chat Mixer, then choose from one of the available options.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.